And it's another lovely looking bike.
Most recent CB build. So it's based on a Honda CB750 F2 1978 model. Most of the frames Colin built were all built for racing, but towards the end of his career with the frames, he started building Seeley Honda frame kits. And basically, you bought your road bike and you went to Colin and he sold you a frame kit, tank, seat, fairing, and that, which I think was about £1,200 at the time. It ended up being about £20 lighter than a standard road bike, and also looked a lot nicer than a standard road bike. He built four for racing. We built ours in the style of the race bikes themselves. And we had a bit of a job to source a genuine fairing front little fly screen that we had in the seat. That took some doing, but we managed to source them for it, try and keep a bit of originality. The petrol tank was all handmade by our friends at Tattoo Classics. So Eileen and her husband run that business. Eileen makes that by hand on an English wheel. Yeah, it's a great big English wheel. She's hand rolling it by hand. It's a work of art to see. But you know, again, we like our Seeleys and that, and this was one that we wanted to do. And we had the chance to do it last year. Earlier, we started it up and the baffle flew out the back. So
Fine, that's what we like here at the GP paddock. So let's hope it's noisier than it's meant to be. Fine looking machine.